Hello everyone on this wonderful Saturday early afternoon. It is sunny and gorgeous here in New Jersey. I can't see a thing. No. But I wanted to give you an update on my flowers. I had a little bit of a catastrophe, but that's okay. I got rid of some of my flowers. I didn't like them. The white ones I got rid of. But let me turn the camera around. Alrighty, so here I am. Look at the gorgeous flowers. Look at how pretty they look. Now what I'll do is I'll try to put a photo here of what this looked like with the white flowers in it. But what happened was, like right here where these flowers are, I had two white flowered plants and they were just starting to look a little funky. Like I almost thought maybe something was growing on them. So I'm like, ew, because I'm not like, ew, gross. And yeah, so I quickly pulled them out, and then I moved a couple of these from that were kind of really right behind this yellow plant, and I moved them over here, and they didn't even die. Like, how amazing is that? I'm getting so good at this. But look at the yellow. Oh my gosh. I mean, just beautiful. And of course we've had rain, a lot of rain. So they're doing really well. And I'm going to go to the other side now. So I'm going to take you around, and here's the other side. And so, I mean, it's really the exact same thing. It's just another planter. But look at that beautiful yellow. I'll definitely get that again next year. Let me go in here. And I know I'm super close. Sorry. I'm trying to find the thing. You know, the thing that tells me what the heck it is. And I'm not seeing it, so sorry. I was hoping I'd be able to find it. But anyways, it's absolutely stunning. It has grown so much. And these, what are they? Marigolds? Yes, are really doing quite well. Some are fading away while I still have buds coming. So I'm super happy. I'm liking it. But again, I took the yellow plant, or the white plants, the two of them out from right there, and I transplanted a couple of the marigolds that were closer to this and kind of crowding it. So see, I'm learning. I have no idea. I don't really know what I'm doing. But it's fun. And I think that they look super pretty. So, okay, this is my update on my gardening journey. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye.